Streamline recipe and menu management with Entreppid Software. Effortlessly add ingredients from USDA database or locally sourced GCC ingredients, ensuring you're always using the right and most accurate data. Once your recipe is in place, the software automatically calculates nutrition information and declares any allergen based on ingredients added, taking the guesswork out of meal planning and making your kitchen more efficient. Need labels? No problem! Entreppid generates FDA-compliant nutrition labels along with customized meal box labels that are perfect for your brand, ensuring consistency, professionalism, and compliance. Entreppid also lets you generate professional recipe cards, serving as your digital cookbook for kitchen operations or for submission to comply with food safety and regulatory standards. That's not all. With Entreppid, you can also easily calculate the cost per recipe, giving you full control over your budget and profit margins. But it doesn't stop at recipes. Take control of your menu like never before with Entreppid Software's menu management feature. Easily create categories tailored to your food concept, whether it's for restaurant, hospital, or school catering service. With Entreppid, you can track the total calories, protein, fats, carbs, and other macros for each meal, ensuring that daily values are perfectly balanced and aligned with nutritional requirements. This feature is ideal for school caterers, hospitals, and meal plan providers, enabling you to deliver accurate, well-balanced meals that meet the specific needs of your audience. Whether you're managing one meal or an entire week's worth of menus, Entreppid helps you maintain consistency and precision, making meal planning simpler, healthier, and more effective. Empower your food service operation with Entreppid, where smarter menu management meets nutrition accuracy, seamless meal planning, and precise macros tracking to deliver well-balanced meals effortlessly.